Hi there, welcome in the new development update video from Ethereum and Solidity development course made with React and Next.js. So in this video, I'll be talking about the features I have added into the course. Okay, so in the course now you can find a feature in the homepage, and I will go to the detail page. We are displaying the locked state of all of the lectures. So first thing, if I am owner of the course with my account from MetaMask, I will displaying here that I'm owner of the course. I'm displaying here some text. Currently it's a locked state because the course has been purchased but is waiting for activation, and here is a waiting for activation text. So that's the one thing I have been improving, and also the other states are handled as well, so I can show you very quickly. I will go to the courses page, courses Slack, and I can hardcode here course state for now. Let's say activated. You'll see when the state will change, it will be displaying also different messages, and also there can be deactivated state. This is the deactivated state. Okay, and in the activated state, we are still owners of the course, but we cannot watch the lectures. Okay, so that's the one thing, and I will revert this. We'll be handling also the loader button, the loading component when you are going to the page or to the browser that doesn't have MetaMask on it. So I can show you, I will go to private window where I don't have a MetaMask. The first thing will be resolving the MetaMask, so it will be loading here and also loading here. And after loading, it will stay locked. Okay, so that's the other thing I was handling. Okay, and the other improvements were in the marketplace page. When I will go to my courses, and here I have a courses I have purchased, but for example, when I will go on the account that doesn't have a courses, for example, account 1 doesn't have any courses, I will display here a message, you don't own any courses. And when I will log out completely from a MetaMask lock, you can see, please connect to MetaMask. The message is here. So basically I just need to reconnect to MetaMask. Okay, and after it will be the same message, when I will go back to my account here, account 3. This is the account with only one course, and account 2 is the account with these courses. Okay, that's other feature, and the manage page, owned page on the private window where we don't have any MetaMask looks like this here as a marketplace. We'll go to my courses. It will be please install MetaMask. The message is here. Okay, that was the one thing. And also I started working on manage courses feature, which will be administrator feature, and administrator can verify the course. It can activate the course. So it can change the state from the purchase to activated so the users can watch the lectures. So when I will go to managed here, I'm not displaying here anything yet because we have done this feature, but in the console log, you will actually see that I have fetched the data. So there's the data of all of the courses from the smart contract. There are currently 6 courses, and this all the information about them. So hash of the course, owned by, so this is the sender, so buyer of the course, address of the course, ID price in the Ether, and the proof and the state, which is a purchase. So in the next lectures, I'm planning to add a feature to verify the course and change its state, and also testing. We'll be creating Unity tests. Okay, so it's gonna be it from today's update, and yeah, I'll be working hard in this week to make as many features as I can. And actually, I'm on a lot of lectures, guys. Currently in the course, 202 lectures, and it still looks like it will be 50 more or even more. So there are lots of hours of content. So guys, if you're interested, check the course, and I hope to see you around. Cheers.